Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that can significantly enhance your home convenience, the Genie Chain Drive 500 Garage Door Opener. We found this impressive unit online, and we've added a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Genie Chain Drive 500? This is a reliable chain drive garage door opener designed to deliver dependable performance while keeping noise levels to a minimum. This opener is perfect for homeowners who want a straightforward, effective solution for operating their garage doors without the fuss of complicated installations or excessive maintenance. Let's take a closer look at some of the standout features of this garage door opener. First up is its robust 1/2 HP DC motor. This motor is not only powerful but also maintenance-free, which means you can trust it to operate smoothly without the need for constant upkeep. Paired with a durable chain drive, this opener is built to last, making it a reliable choice for years to come. Another significant feature is the easy installation process. The Genie Chain Drive 500 comes with a strong 5-piece rail system that snaps together effortlessly, requiring no additional hardware. This user-friendly design makes it ideal for DIY enthusiasts who appreciate a quick and hassle-free setup. Safety is a top priority for any homeowner, and the Genie Chain Drive 500 does not disappoint in this area. It includes a self-diagnostic safety beam system that projects an invisible infrared beam across the door opening. If this beam is interrupted by an object, be it a child, pet, or even your car, the door will automatically reverse, ensuring the safety of your loved ones. Now, who is the Genie Chain Drive 500 suitable for? This garage door opener is perfect for families, busy professionals, or anyone looking for a dependable and quiet operation. If you have a traditional garage door that needs a reliable opener, this model is a fantastic choice. It's particularly beneficial for those who might not have the time or expertise for complicated installations but still want a quality product. In terms of practical use cases, think about the convenience of coming home after a long day, it's raining or dark outside, and all you want to do is get into your garage without fumbling for keys or struggling with a heavy door. With the Genie Chain Drive 500, you can effortlessly open your garage door with just the push of a button. The system comes complete with a single one-button pre-programmed remote, making it incredibly user-friendly. Plus, the included lighted push-button wall control adds another layer of convenience for those who prefer to operate it from inside the garage. Additionally, this unit is fully compatible with HomeLink and Car2U systems, meaning you won't need repeaters or hubs to integrate it with your existing smart home setup. This feature enhances its usability for those who enjoy having their home devices work seamlessly together. In conclusion, the Genie Chain Drive 500 Garage Door Opener is a reliable, efficient, and user-friendly choice for anyone looking to upgrade their garage door system. Its combination of quiet operation, easy installation, and safety features make it a worthy investment for any household. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe.